What's up, guys? It's Assassin here, and I am playing a game similar something to Slenderman. It's called White Noise, the story of a true horror, and I have only really tried it once, and it is really scary. Hold on one second. It says that if you turn the lights off and the volume up, that the game experience is a lot better. So we're about to find out. So here we go. What the fuck is this? What? Holy. Okay, so I don't know where yet, but I'm definitely sure there's a tape somewhere back here. Holy crap, I am scared. Ah, I found one. Why is there music? Oh no, oh no, oh no, run, 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 run. He's behind me. He is behind me. Oh god. Yep, there he is, go. Come on. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Okay guys, now I'm really scared. I don't know where he went. Why is this not a multiplayer game? I need someone here. This is terrible. Oh god. Why does the sky look so beautiful, but everything around me looks so scary? What did I do to deserve this? It's not fair. Okay, I cannot stop. Whatever I do, I can't stop. That's not an option. I can't do that. No! Run! Run! Holy crap! No, 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 no. Shh, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'm okay. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Oh no. He's pissed. Whatever this thing is, it's pissed, and my light is flashing and blinking, and oh my god. Come on. Come on, where do I go? Where do I go? I can't find another tape. Oh my god, I am so scared. Is that a river? That's a river. Oh god. I've never been here before. Oh no. Okay, I just went in a giant circle, so I'm gonna try and turn around now. Very slowly. Very quietly. And I'm going to try to find Where exactly another tape might be. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, and by the way, if the trial runs out, I did get the trial. I don't have the full game of this because I don't know if it's worth the points yet to really do a whole thing on yet. But if you bros comment and like it, and you think I should do some more, if you think I should do more, I'll definitely get it and do more for you. But I'm not really up for doing all that unless I have you guys tell me that's what you want. Okay, there's different music playing now, and he's probably about to scare the piss out of me because he does not seem happy because he keeps changing the song. Oh, God. And I really don't think my flashlight likes me very much. This is terrible. I don't like this at all. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yay! Oh, no! Run! Oh, no! There it is, there it is, there it is! It's coming! No! Stay away from me, you creep. You scary thing. Don't like you. Okay, clearly there's a tape over there that he's not wanting me to get to. Please tell me I'm not coming to a dead end. Oh, that's not good. Oh, God. Oh, hello. Now, what is this? That would be a dead end. Get away from the tree, retard. Run! Okay, let's try to go back to the cemetery place now, if we can't. Oh, crap. Oh. Well, I didn't get caught. That's a good thing. But, other than that, yeah, really happy about that. I like that game, even though it scares the piss out of me. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will make more of these videos for you guys. Peace out.